In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to deposit money on Etoro using your PC. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and definitely you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then log into your account that you want to deposit funds over to. Once from here, you'll need to go over to the left hand side or left hand menu and then go down here to where it says wallet down here. Now from here, you'll be able to see this page right here, and here you'll be able to add funds in your national current currency, or you can also add funds to USD over here. Now from here, you'll simply need to go over to click add funds from your current currency, click on that. And now from here, you'll be able to see your bank details like your full name, the account number for your bank, and the rec number that you need to use for your bank. So from here, you'll need to go over to your specific bank and add a transfer for that specific amount of money and add in these details over here. Once you've done that, you'll simply need to send the money, and within a couple of business days, you will get the money over to Etoro. But as I do it, if you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!